Today, in a Royal Mystery Reader's Notebook pages, we're going to be working on prefixes, non, un, dis, and miss, and then you will be working on a word sort, long A and long E, where you're writing the long A or long E word that best fits on each line. So, to start with prefixes, non, un, dis, and miss, it says the words in the box begin with a prefix. Choose a word to fill in the blank and complete each sentence. Use context clues in the prefix meanings that are shown to help you. And when we look at not, when we look at the words, we look at not here, we're going to be looking at non, un, and dis. And when we look at wrong, we're going to be looking at miss for the prefixes. We'll do a couple together. The new chef is blank with that recipe. She has not seen it before. Well, when something is new and you haven't seen it before, it is unfamiliar. And so you'll write unfamiliar on the line. We're going to skip down to number 4 here, and it says, keep thinking about the good things in life to avoid feeling. And this is one that oftentimes kiddos struggle with a little bit because it's not a word that's very familiar oftentimes, and it is discontented, and that just means to feel unhappy or not satisfied. And I'm going to type this one in again because I can't quite fit my writing on the line. And we'll move down to the bottom, and we'll start with number 9. An audience was blank by the magician's illusion. They got the wrong idea. And if you get the wrong idea and you're getting the wrong idea because somebody is leading you to that wrong idea, it is called misled. And you can go ahead and work on the rest of those prefixes on your own. And you may pause the video here until you finish that page, or you may move on with me and finish it afterwards. Our next section is long A and long E, and it says write the basic word that best fits each clue. And these are kind of like definitions, to swing back and forth. So if you go through all of your words here, to swing back and forth would be, we have awake, feast, stray, greet, praise, disease, repeat, display, braces, thief, ashamed, sleeve, waist, beneath, sheepish, release, remain, sway, training, and niece. And to swing back and forth, in this case, would be to sway. So you'll write sway on the line. If we go down to number 4, it says to wander away from a group. Oftentimes I think about this when we have a dog who wanders away from their home group. And this would be the word stray. And the other one that I have kids often struggle with is number 6, and it's to exhibit or put on view. And I think of this when I think about going to the museum to look at something that's on an exhibit or put on view, and that is a display. And you can go ahead now and work through the rest of these and make sure you turn them in as an attachment to our assignment on Teams. You do not have to complete these challenge down here, so you can ignore that. You are just working on